Dear viewers, welcome to our Home Cart Genie Fashion channel. In today's video we are going to present here different types of top-rated products to clean every room in your house ideas. Everyone is a little different when it comes to cleaning their home. I've had a variety of cleaning jobs over the years, school buildings, office buildings and others' homes, and I've learned so many tips from each one. I'll be honest, most cleaning is a result of time and effort, elbow grease, literally. However, there are several ways to cut down on time spent cleaning. The best way to keep your kitchen clean is to avoid buildup. Try to wipe down surfaces every day and tackle cleaning the stove once a week. Wipe down high-touch surfaces like handles, knobs, and buttons once a week, too. If you can, try to keep your kitchen gadgets off the counter, since dust collects around them and makes them tough to clean. Give your kitchen a once-over and get rid of any unused utensils to free up cabinet space. When it comes to cleaning your home, the first step is to declutter your living space. Create thoughtful organization schemes. Different types of top-rated products to clean every room in your house designs are given in this video for your collection ideas. Please watch till the end of this video and subscribe our channel for more interesting contents. Thank you. Good day.